Before fuel injection took over the automotive world, the SU carburetor represented one of the smartest and most elegant engineering solutions ever made. What you're looking at is the SU HS4, variable venturi carburetor used across countless British classics: Mini Cooper, MG, Morris Minor, Triumph Spitfire, and Austin Healey, just to name a few. Unlike most carburetors that rely on fixed jets and multiple mechanical adjustments, the SU works differently. It adjusts airflow and fuel mixture automatically based on demand, giving smooth throttle, stable idle, and incredible fuel efficiency for its era. Inside, the piston rises and falls based on engine vacuum. That movement changes the venturi size and fuel delivery in real time. It's simple, yet brilliant. As we open it up, you can see the key components: the dash pot, the needle jet, the throttle spindle, the mixture screw, and the float bowl. Every part tells a story. The needle taper controls the fuel mixture with astonishing precision. The damper adds resistance to piston movement, improving throttle response. The float ensures fuel level stability, the heart of consistent running. Working on an SU car isn't just maintenance. It's a reminder of a time when engineering was mechanical, tactile, and designed to be understood rather than hidden behind software. Some say it's outdated, others call it genius. But anyone who has driven a well-tuned SU car knows it has a unique feel: smooth, responsive, and alive. So whether you're here for the nostalgia, the engineering, or the restoration journey, thank you for watching. Which carburetor or classic engine should we explore next? Follow for more vintage mechanical therapy.